Get her. Get the duck. Ow! Whoa!
I don't want it. No.
She mean.
Bitch.
Ow! Silly. He's got a hair fall or something.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Ah! Gross.
What if you got that on camera?
Yes.
Like the most cutest of wonderful things, but then the dog.
Bah. Yes, thanks, Fitley. What do you have to say for yourself? Was that tasty?
Yeah.
Was that tasty?